Guyana is a name that often draws a blank stare, even from seasoned travelers. It is a country tucked away on the northeastern shoulder of South America, bordered by Venezuela, Brazil, and Suriname. This is not the South America of sprawling megacities and crowded beaches. Instead, Guyana offers something far more primordial, a glimpse into a world largely untouched by modernity. It is a land of staggering natural wealth, vast, impenetrable rainforests and tea-colored rivers. For the adventurous spirit seeking true discovery, Guyana is a final frontier. It does not just show you beauty, it makes you work for it. The reward is an unforgettable journey. The official language is English. Guyana is the only English-speaking nation in South America. A vibrant mosaic, Indo-Guyanese, Afro-Guyanese, Amerindian, and more. Its authenticity invites deeper, immediate connections with its people. Your adventure will almost certainly begin and end in Georgetown, the nation's capital. The city sits on the Atlantic coast, below sea level, protected by a long sea wall. Georgetown is a slightly faded portrait of colonial grandeur, a city built of wood with intricate latticework. At its heart stands St. George's Cathedral, among the tallest wooden churches in the world. Step inside to cool, quiet air and stained glass light. Then Staybrook Market, chaotic, vibrant, and unmistakable beneath its cast-iron clock tower. Spices and tropical fruits scent the air as vendors hawk everything from fresh fish to gold jewelry. Stroll shaded avenues or visit the Walter Roth Museum to explore Amerindian heritage. A Demerara River cruise at sunset eases you into the tropical rhythm. Taste pepper pot, cook up rice, and flaky roti with savory curries. Georgetown is your staging ground. Book interior flights, stock up, and stay vigilant, especially at night. Use licensed taxis. It sets the context for the wild wonders that lie beyond. No trip to Guyana is complete without witnessing the sheer, awesome power of Kayatir Falls. The Potaro River plunges 226 meters, 741 feet, into a misty, churning gorge. Getting here is part of the magic. Short bush plane flights over an endless green carpet. At the precipice with no guardrails, you feel the roar in your chest. Deeper still, the Iwo-Krama Rainforest, 1 million acres of living laboratory. Base at Iwo-Krama River Lodge for guided walks and river safaris, giant otters, monkeys, and more. Spot the golden rocket frog and bromeliads, or a flash of electric blue morpho. Climb Turtle Mountain for an ocean of treetops. At night, glowing fungi and nocturnal insects steal the show. High on the canopy walkway, share the treetops with macaws and toucans. Then the silence of a star-filled sky. Guyana rewards those who venture far. South of the forest, the land opens into the vast Rupununi savanna. Here, the sky is immense, the horizons endless, the space exhilarating. Ranching country, vaqueros, giant anteaters, and a staggering diversity of birds. Heartland of the Makushi and Wapishana, cultures in harmony with the land. Travel is rugged and rewarding, dusty tracks and winding rivers. Stay at community-owned eco-lodges, Karanambu for giant otters, Surama for deep cultural immersion. Ride across plains, search for jaguars by night, learn traditional skills. Far north lies Shell Beach, a 90-mile coast made of countless tiny shells. A critical nesting sanctuary for endangered sea turtles, green, hawksbill, leatherback, olive ridley. Visits are carefully managed March to August. Quietly witness an ancient ritual under the stars. A powerful reminder of nature's delicate beauty and our role in protecting it. Embarking on a journey to Guyana requires more planning than your average vacation, but the rewards are immeasurable. Dry seasons, September to November and January to April, are best for interior travel. Shell Beach turtles, March to August. Kayatur shines around wet to dry transitions. Check visas and book internal flights and lodges well in advance. Pack light, practical, resilient. Long sleeves, quick-dry trousers, waterproof boots, rain jacket, wide brim hat, high SPF. Bring strong DEET, a small first aid kit, necessary meds. Consult your doctor about yellow fever and anti-malarials. Drink bottled or purified water and mind street food hygiene. Interior travel relies on small airlines and local tour operators. Carry Guyanese dollars and small U.S. bills, USD often accepted by lodges and operators. Expect a digital detox, city internet. Remote lodges may not. Guyana is for the true traveler. It challenges you, inspires you, changes you. Thunder of Kayatur, silence of the savannah, vibrant chaos of Stabroek, the gentle emergence of a turtle. Pack your bags. Bring an open mind, a spirit of adventure, and a willingness to be amazed.